16th district. Verse 10, limitations of the Tao Te Ching. When embracing the unity of mind, body, emotions, and spiritual being, can we transcend our fragmentations without leaving a trace? When Qigong sculpts sinew suppleness, can our flesh become soft as a newborn babe? Can we cleanse the inner vision, leaving mind in spiritual purity? Can our affairs of the heart and our affairs of state be so unconditional that we grant unqualified permissibility? Can the gate to yin be opened without inviting yang? Can our reasoning mind be purged of coercion, allowing our heart its unfettered joy? Can we act like every other species, seeking no reward, taking no pride, guiding without enslaving? Such is our vision of the great integrity, on whose path we have at last planted both feet, ready to move step by step until we arrive at the great unfettered gate. Verse 10 commentary. There are two principal implications about our limitations in this hymn to the great integrity. 1. The universal limitations of reality are relative rather than absolute. The answer to every question posed in this verse is therefore no, because nothing exists in its pure ideal form, and because there can be no yin without its opposite, yang. 2. However, the conditions that define our time as the age of transition lead us to answer these questions with a qualified yes. We can now begin this journey, but our generations will never be able to fully actualize the great integrity. Verse 11, the importance of what is not. We join 30 spokes to the hub of a wheel, yet it's the center hole that drives the chariot. We shape clay to birth a vessel, yet it's the hollow within that makes it useful. We chisel doors and windows to construct a room, yet it's the inner space that makes it livable. Thus do we create what is to use what is not. Verse 11 commentary. It may seem that Lao Tzu in this verse advocates what is not over what is. Similarly, he seems to advocate not doing over doing. It would appear that he announces nothingness as the goal of life. To make a pun, nothing could be further from his intent. In fact, he celebrates the maximal doing